Hey buddies, it's Cubing Dark and this time we'll try to solve this Rubik's Cube without any corner pieces. So let's get into the video without any more delay. So here our cube is ready to take into the battle. I removed all the corner pieces and now only edge pieces are left on it. Let's try some scrambles on it. Let's begin! Let me inspect. Okay, so we are ready now with our CS timer. Let's solve this thing. Actually, it's not that difficult to handle. Wait, is that some sort of fairy tales or something? Let's fix it the way everyone do it. Okay, so we are ready for our solve number 2. Let's begin. I literally messed my U-turn. Okay, here we go, our last try. It's do or die. Why am I unable to solve this silly thing? Oh, finally we made it to the end. No, no, not this time. Hope you all liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe. It took a lot of effort and let's reach 70 subs.